Hi guys, it's Etta and you're watching Fresh Threads on Guru Hub. I am a super happy girl right now because I have been looking forward to this event since the beginning of the year. It's finally music festival season, and whether you're going to Coachella, EDC, Lollapalooza, whatever, don't worry girl, because I got you. I have 3 thrifted festival-inspired outfits for you that you can totally rock in the spring and in the summer. But before we get started, I have a question from Stephanie Megan, and she asks, what colors and patterns are suitable for this spring? I think millennial pink is a no-brainer, especially when paired with a rouge or a red such as this. I think when it's paired with red, it looks very bold and has a huge amount of statement. Another color I've been digging is yellow, especially in canary and mustard. Mustards are perfect because they go with every single skin tone. Another color that I've been really digging is lavender, especially since ultraviolet is Pantone's new color of the year. I'm so excited to add more purples into my closet. As for patterns, stripes and florals are go-tos, but I also think adding polka dots into your spring wardrobe is a must, especially when wearing them in black and white monochrome. Alright, so with that being said, let's head to the thrift store and go shopping. So the first festival outfit is all about floral embroidery and monochrome. So I decided to wear white on white just because it seemed a little bit more daytime appropriate. Plus the eyelash crop top added for a great pop of detail against the monochrome look. The champion skirt that I'm wearing right now is super stretchy and it's perfect for moving around, walking, and just dancing the night away. This jacket in particular has a cool vintage 80s vibe, and it's pretty lightweight as well, which is perfect for layering on for cold desert nights. The top was $9.99, the skirt was $9.99, and the jacket was $7.99. The second outfit is inspired by the good old US of A. I'm wearing a red, white, and blue striped bodysuit, and it has a cool overlapping tie detail that makes it look like you're wearing a crop top. It also has a long V that elongates the torso, making you look leaner and taller. I pair this with high-waist denim shorts and Doc Martens for a more casual and laid-back vibe. This fisherman's cap is one of my favorite hats to wear because it gives every single outfit a very cool nautical 70s vibe. The bodysuit is $11.99, the hat is $12, and the shoes were $9.99. Outfit number 3 is all about denim on denim, and it's definitely for the girl who's on the tough side and very edgy. This look also features a little bit more coverage, so it's very ideal for festivals that are in cooler climates. I'm wearing a Tommy Hilfiger crop top and paired it with some Tommy Hilfiger mom jeans for a more 80s and 90s inspired look. A chunky belt helps to cinch the waist, and clear sandals help to elongate your legs, making you look taller as well. The top was $9.99 and the bottoms were $10. Any music festivals this season? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you guys have any questions for me, don't forget to tweet me using the hashtag GuruHub for a chance to be featured in the next episode. As always, I encourage you guys to shop your local thrift stores and to find some fresh threads of your own. And I'll see you guys in the next one.